Time to talk about woodblocks. Well, here's what not to do first. Okay, so we saw what not to do with the woodblock. However, how do we play it to get a good sound? It's not that difficult, but we have to have the right striking implement, a rubber mallet. Like any other small percussion instrument, if you can hold it and play with one hand, I think that gives us a little more control. Now, sometimes the passages are too fast, but if you just have solitary hits, it's nice to hold it with your non-dominant hand, the opening facing the audience. Now, there are places on the woodblock that will sound better and others that will sound worse. What I like to do is mark with an X or some sort of dot the best sounding place on the woodblock, and that's my target, and I'm going to aim for it. Of course, there are faster passages that we're going to have to play on woodblock where you can't hold and just play with one hand. In that case, set it down on something soft, not a hard music stand, but maybe a music stand with foam or a nice soft blanket or something to absorb some of the impact. Some woodblocks are made in a way that you can actually mount them onto a cymbal stand, just like these Grovers, so that once you tighten them down, you have a woodblock at any height that you want and it can fit in nicely into any multiple percussion setup. Like any percussion instrument, if you have more than one woodblock, you can really experiment with getting different tones and pitches and just the right sound for just the right occasion.